As Denison welcomes growth and positive change all around the city, we also uphold the value of our community's history. And to preserve that history while providing affordable, quality housing for the future, we introduce the Denison Renovation Incentive Program. This program provides financial support for those who will step up and restore existing buildings to return or repurpose them to beautiful living and commercial spaces. Once qualified, financial incentives are available at every step of your project. Beginning with the waiver of the residential remodel building permit fees, you can save at least $245 and possibly more depending on the overall value of your project.
Saving $245 on the permit fees is really an incentive to help get started on this kind of a project and let you know that the city is there to help and supportive in the fact that you're doing something that's going to be good for the community.
And for the neighborhood.
Yeah, one house starts and then another house starts, and it helps.
Qualified projects are eligible for up to 2 roll-off containers at a generously discounted rate.
Being able to have the roll-off dumpsters and be able to demo the house and get it gutted and cleaned out, again was motivating because we were able to tear everything out and we'd have a good place to put things as far as the dumpsters go, and it allowed us to start with a clean slate, which motivated us to get the project started off right.
And it definitely feels good to get all that stuff out of here.
Yeah.
Say bye.
City of Denison's offering another great incentive program, offering 1% back on sales tax for any building materials bought in the City of Denison. It's another reason to get your project started.
Anytime you can save money, whether it's with fees being waived or getting discounts on materials or anything, it's always a good incentive to help. Anytime you can save $1, there's nothing wrong with that. So.
It's really nice to have somebody that you can go talk to face if there's a problem, if there's a positive. It's a good relationship to have. We're really happy to be able to work with the local supply houses.
All this goes towards improving the look and quality of Denison's neighborhoods.
One of the benefits of the program is that they come in and they redo the sidewalks for us once all the inspections have been done, and that's huge because curb appeal is what people see. I mean, that's the first thing they see when they drive up. So a freshly painted house, new sod, and new concrete as far as the sidewalk goes. I mean, that's a huge expense that is good for us that we don't have to take that on.
All improved projects will benefit from a cash rebate based on the newly assessed taxable value. All qualified projects will get a rebate of at least $2,500, and many could earn much more.
With the savings that we're going to get using this program and the rebate we're going to get, we can add that to our profit margin, so there's things that we can look at in the project that we normally may not do, and so spending more money on the custom cabinets and taking advantage of the hardwood floors, and there's just more money that we know can be allotted to the budget because we're going to be getting that on the back side.
Or we can turn it into the next project.
We're excited to bring this program to ambitious renovators in Denison. The City Council has set aside $250,000 just for this program, but it's on a first-come, first-served basis. As you can see, all throughout our city, projects have already begun. So if you're interested in saving and preserving these great old homes, contact our city staff today. They stand ready to help.
Let's keep moving forward with the Denison Renovation Incentive Program.